Yeah. What's up guys, back in another video, and today we're doing wrestling part 2 with Gammy, my best friend. Beat him last time, but he wants a rematch. Because he wants a rematch because he feels that last round wasn't fair because his manager wasn't doing the stuff that he was meant to do. So anyway, leave a like on this video, smash the like button. If we can get 10,000 likes on this video, that'd be absolutely insane. But anyway, let's start the fight.
So we got Blair.
Hello.
And we got me, but I can't show your face because we're doing part 3
we need
soon.
To do our that's it.
Right, Jay's did his.
Yep.
And Gammy's doing his. Fight! And just wait until they go in the middle, and I don't see anyone going in the
You
middle.
have to do that. No.
We just got 2 hands, Blair, see?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what they have to do.
3, 2, 1, get in that! Gammy goes for a kick, oh, Gammy gets down, Gammy gets down, Gammy gets down!
Oh, Jay's got it.
Yeah, Jay's got it, Blair, Jay's got it, Jay's got it.
Oh, he got it.
Oh.
Whoa. He's got his head. He's got a back of the
Hey.
head. Can't see it.
Oh. Gammy's got Jay down. Oh, what's that? Jay goes his head. Oh, Jay's getting angry. Jay's going. Come on, Jay gets a punch to Gammy's arm. I told Jay in the last video that's his weakness. Yeah. Oh, look, Gammy. So we're going to have a break.
No until Gammy taps and then we hear the other break. Or me.
This breaks it out, but you like in this fight. Me and you will fight next. Yeah.
But I'm break! Gammy.
Alright, so we're having a break now because he tapped. So they've had their break and Jay's got loads of dealing to deal with him. Go!
Oh, I got the hands.
Alright, go! I told you to go. Oh, Jay's getting him down.
Oh.
Yeah, Blair, Jay's getting him down, Blair.
Where's your meat to buy Nike holder say I said go?
What?
And I hold on say I can say go. And you even done a submission.
He tapped, so that's it.
No,
And you know.
I've only done a submission. He didn't tap. No. Get round. Get on your back now. Get on your back. Get on your back.
Alright, that's a close. Bye.